We here at Apple like things small. We invented the tiny computer, the tiny music player, the tiny laptop, the tiny phone, but there's one thing we like big. Introducing the iPhone XS. XS is in how much excess money can we charge and still get you to buy our latest phones. But wait, you say, I can afford the iPhone XS, it costs the same as last year's iPhone. Don't worry, we thought of that. Introducing the iPhone XS to the Max, which we're selling for the price of a luxurious 7-day Caribbean cruise. Oh wait, sorry, 4 luxurious 7-day Caribbean cruises. Both of our new phones are even more waterproof than before though, so hey, if you can afford both, can we interest you in a 512GB iPhone? And an Apple Watch 4? The new iPhone XS features a revolutionary new A12 Bionic processor, and let's be real here, you know it's revolutionary just by the name. I mean, Bionic, come on, right guys? For real though, we packed some pretty crazy things into this new chip. It features a 6-core CPU and a 4-core GPU and a dedicated neural engine, and you know what you get when you add 6 plus 4 and a whole bunch of improved technology? You get, oh wait, sorry, you don't get anything. We get $1,000, which we use for research. The A12 Bionic chip also powers our brand new incredible iPhone XS camera. One of the biggest new features this time round is a portrait mode with an adjustable depth sensor you can use after you take a picture to change the focus of the picture in post. This is going to make the portraits you take look incredible, so good you'll just forget about the random dude skulking in the background. The camera this time round also records in stereo sound, so now your videos can go from sounding like this to this. Now people always request a lot of new features each time we're about to launch a new iPhone, but with the iPhone XS we decided to make the phone way more dust-proof to appeal to our core demographic, dudes who just like to go sandboarding in the Sahara Desert. Now the next time you go sandboarding and just happen to have a dedicated camera crew at your disposal, we've got you covered. The iPhone XS is available starting this month, and we hope you love it just as much as we do. We really think the spirit of Apple is encapsulated right there in the name XS, and we, oh crud, it's pronounced the iPhone XS, isn't it?